Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. Today's job lead is in the healthcare field and is from the company Medley. But real quickly, before we get into all the great details, just a few reminders. I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. So only have the information that is in the job description. And of course, I link everything that I share in the description box below. So if you want to put those applications in, and if you ever find any of my job leads helpful, please help me out by liking my videos and sharing with all your friends and family so we can all live our healthiest, happiest life working from home and have that great work-life balance. But with that being said, the company Medley is hiring a payroll specialist. Now, this is remote from my United States only, folks, and it is a full-time position. Now, Medley is a workforce management platform, and they specialize in delivering healthcare professionals through an on-demand marketplace. So you are specifically going to be working for and helping travel nursing industry and travel nurses. So they're looking for a payroll specialist to add to their growing finance team in helping travel nurses clear up any payroll issues and stipend discrepancies that they have. So you may have to take inbound phone calls from time to time, emails and text and chat requests from the actual travel nurses that are working cross-functional to research and get their issues resolved. So you'll work closely with W-2 operations leadership to make sure that all travel nurses are getting paid correctly and that they're getting paid on time every week. So you'll have to have strong communication skills, both written and verbal. You'll have to have a positive can-do attitude. They want someone who has an individual contributor level experience as either a payroll processor or basic understanding of general payroll processes, taxation, and procedures. If you have experience with Paylocity, that is a plus, but that is not required. They need someone who has strong attention to detail, the ability to solve problems independently, and you're a quick learner with tech because you will have to use Slack, Google Workspaces, Asana, and different development tools. Now, of course, this position pays well. Pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience, but this job pays anywhere from $20 to $25 an hour. On top of the great pay, they do offer benefits, including healthcare benefits. It says a full suite of benefits, including medical, dental, vision. They include a 401k. They have a paid time off. And of course, a digital work environment so you can work from anywhere. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.